how to keep taking care of your plants and herbs after planting them in container. Welcome to the gardening channel. If you are new to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips, knowledge, and having fun doing it. We are in week 5 since I planted the 27 containers of plants, vegetables, and herbs. So today we are going to take a look at how they are doing, how to take care of them so they can produce good fruit well, or they can grow well and produce fruitful. So we are going to take care of them now. It's been 5 weeks, and so let's see how our plants are doing. If you want to join this lovely community of beginner gardeners, welcome. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me. Share any ideas, tips with others, and also subscribe to the channel. Let's grow it together. Let's have fun. And now let's see how our plants and herbs are doing. So this is our corn. You can see how tall the corn is already. It's growing so fast. I can't believe it. So the corn is doing pretty well. Everything looks great. You just make sure that they go inside the cage, because there was a taller one I didn't put it in early, and I was trying to do it and then it just broke. So take good care of them. You can see this is where it breaks off, and make sure they go inside the cage, and then they will all grow really well. So that's the corn so far. Alright, so this is both my curled parsley. They are doing really well. I've used them a lot, so I'm trying to make sure they go inside the cage, and then they will stay in form, so they are not all over. So I always come up here, and then you can see I use a lot of them. You can see from here I clip some of them and use it for sauce and soup. I even gave some to my friend, and so they are doing well. This is our curled parsley. This is my okra. Look at the okra plant. It is growing, it's getting taller, so I make sure I bring them inside so they will grow along. And you can see how really nice it looks. Look at the stems, they all look healthy. This is the basil. This one is doing pretty well. I use a lot of them and it is still growing. So it looks so pretty well. It smells good in sauce or soup. Anything that I'm salads, everything that I made, I just come up here and then clip it fresh, chop it, put it in soup, stew, and it's amazing. So this is the other the basil. So the basil, the other one is basil. This one is dying for some reason. I don't know. I just left it this way. Since I planted the herbs and since I planted everything, I have not given them any plant food yet. And so this week I was trying to do it, but it has rained. You can see it's all wet, it's rained. So I left it. Probably week 7 is when I will start giving them food plant. I don't know if it's going to revive it, but I just want you to see this is the first time I've experienced this since I've been planting in container. So I don't know what was the issue, if it is the soil. I can't tell, so we will see. So this is the basil. This is our hot pepper. You can see it's growing, it's making, there's flowers. I don't want to touch it, that one just fell. But we have 2 peppers already. I don't know how this is going to look like. It looks like it's going to be very small, I don't know. But that's how they are, but they are doing well. This is both my onions. They are doing well. I just, pluck this off if the color is turning yellow, but it is growing. It grows up. Onions grows up. So what I do is I keep pushing the soil so it will cover it. So you can see how it's growing up. It grows up, so I just add soil on top so it will cover it, so it will keep growing. Now when we come to our peppers, we can see the peppers are growing. Look at this one, a big pepper here. This pepper, this is the Anaheim chili. So it's doing well. Like I said, because I haven't given them any plant food yet, look at the leaves, it's yellow like this. I just take them off there because I don't want them to give any disease, whatever it is. So I pick them, and then I think once I started giving them plant food, they will all do well. So that is the Anaheim pepper. This is the same Anaheim pepper. So I'm just gonna pick these from here. This is the Hungarian pepper, and there is one. The rest is not developing that well, but I don't know, but we'll see once I give them food. And this is Inferno hot pepper. I don't see anything. Oh, look at that. That's why you don't touch them, because I just touch this and the pepper, it's, I destroy it. So don't touch them. You can look at them, but sometimes when they are producing the fruit, you touch it, they are not very strong, so they just fall off. This is the other Inferno hot pepper. Look at this one. It's really good. It's producing. Now let's take a look at our tomatoes. So this is a pink girl. You can see it has the flowers. And then we have one tomato here. I don't want to touch them, so they started falling off. So this is growing well. It's coming up. And this is the other pink girl, but you can see it didn't develop well at all. So once I started giving them food plants, I think I'm too late giving them. It's, after 1 month is when you started giving them food plants. But I waited, and so it's week 7. So we will see once I started giving them food plants. This is our beef stick tomatoes. We have one tomato coming out. It didn't have much fruit yet. There is just a few more here, so we'll see. So this is our brand wine tomato, I think. Yes, brand wine tomato. And you can see this one has produced quite a few tomatoes so far. There is quite a few flowers. Yeah, you can see all the tomatoes here, all more flowers is coming. And it is growing really good. You can see it's healthy. The leaves are greenish and healthy. And this is the other brand wine. There's just a few tomatoes are coming out as well. So it has fruit, so that is growing well. These two are Roma tomato. These are Roma tomato, but I don't see anything with this yet. Nothing is coming up, so I don't know. They don't look healthy at all. I don't know if it is the soil, but also I don't know if because I didn't give them any food plants yet. Probably once I started giving them food plants, they will do well. It just rained yesterday, so I don't want to, it's still wet, so I'll wait another 2 days. Week 7 is when I'm going to give them plant food to see if they will grow better. This one is also beef stick tomato. And you can see that is not developing well as the other one behind it. So this is so far, this is how everything is. Everything is growing well, I would say, except for some of them, like this tomato here. You can see how the leaves are yellowish and all that. And probably once we give them plant food, it should start developing well. I don't know what it is, so I can't say, but I'm thinking it's because of plant food. It could be maybe the soil, but the soil looks good, it's wet, it's not dry, so we will see. And so that is the aroma. So far everything looks good. So this is my lovely container gardening that I am sharing with you, and I hope yours is doing well as well. This is gardening. Some will do well, some may not do well. But if we give them maybe plant food, they will do well. The last thing that I want to share is my Ghanaian color greens that I planted. That is the last thing I want to share with you. And here it is. This is our Ghanaian color greens. And it took a while before it started coming out, but you can see they have come out. It's coming out really good. I'm sure there might be 1 or 2. Yeah, there is someone here too that is coming out. So it is doing well as well, and it's going to grow bigger little by little. If it is too big, I can replant 1 or 2. You can see these as well. I think it was 7 seeds that I planted. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe there is one, maybe it's more than that. So there you are. There is our collard greens. So far everything is looking great. The farm, the gardening, the container gardening. I know it's a lot of work, but if you really enjoy doing something, it doesn't matter how long it takes you to do them. And that's me. I love my gardening. So I love seeing my plants grow well. I love seeing them, produce good fruits. They look healthy, and I try to do anything I can to make them grow really well for me. And so that's it. And so I show you the bad plants, the good plants, everything. So if you are having issue with your plant, you know what to do. You just give them food plants. And I think once you did that, it would start changing their growth, and then, start looking healthy for you. So I was too late. I delayed, I know, but it's okay. I just want to share this with you. So if your plant looks like anything like the yellow leaves, you are seeing yellow leaves and all that, if you haven't given them plant food yet, start giving them plant food. And in week 7, I'm going to show you what type of plant food you can give them. I already have mine ready, and I'll share that with you. Maybe that will help. Normally I just give them Epsom salt. So if you watch my other videos, which is last year video that I made, all my plants, I only give them Epsom salt water. That's all I use. I didn't use any other plant food. But this year, I'm trying so many things, including the soil that I use. I use so many 4 different soils. And also I'm trying to use different plant food for the vegetables and the herbs to see how they would do. So that is our little gardening. And I hope you have your plants, everything planted by now. You can still plant. If you haven't planted yet, you can still plant, because I remember last year I started in July, which was very, very late, but they did well. Some did well, some didn't. So I share all that video with you. I hope you enjoy it. And also let me know how your plant is going. How is it doing? Are you enjoying them? I enjoy mine every day. I come here in the morning